Welcome to our channel. Today we how to update your ActiveCampaign automation for lead nurturing, beginner guide step by step clearly. Open your ActiveCampaign account and navigate to the Automations tab on the left sidebar. Locate the automation you wish to update for lead nurturing. Click on the name of the automation to open its details. Review the current workflow to identify any areas that need improvement. Decide on the specific goals for your lead nurturing process. If you need to add a new trigger, click on the Add Trigger button. Select the appropriate trigger type based on your lead nurturing strategy. Customize the trigger settings to fit your audience's needs. Save your changes and return to the automation overview. Next, review the existing actions within the automation. Delete any actions that are no longer relevant to your lead nurturing process. To add a new action, click on the Add Action button. Choose the desired action type, such as sending an email or adding a tag. Configure the action settings to align with your updated goals. Make sure to personalize the email content to create a better connection with your leads. Use merge fields for dynamic personalization wherever possible. Once all actions are added and configured, review the entire automation flow. Make any necessary adjustments to ensure a smooth transition between steps. Test the updated automation by simulating a lead entering the workflow. Check for any issues or errors during the test. Once satisfied with the results, click the Activate button to enable the automation. Monitor the performance of your updated automation regularly. Make further adjustments as needed based on the results and feedback from leads. This will help you continuously improve your lead nurturing strategy. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation step. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.